Hi guys, welcome back to BestSub TV. Today we are going to introduce some sublimation face masks and a scarf for you guys. Here we have two designs of face masks. They are 3-layered. The top layer is made of polyester, which is very soft and perfect for sublimation printing. The inner cloth is made of cotton and the bottom is also made of polyester. This one here with white edge is for full printing. Even the white edge is printable. And these two masks with black edge can be printed with images on the white area. And we have different sizes for you to choose. These two small ones are of the same size, 16.5 centimeters long and 11 centimeters wide, suitable for kids and adult women. And this larger one is 20 centimeters long, 14 centimeters wide, suitable for adult men. And this is a sublimatable scarf. Also can be fully printed with images, and you can wear it in many stylish ways. You can put it around your neck or on your head. Both the masks and the scarf are made to bring you gentle care and personalize your daily looks. Now let's move on to see how to print the masks. The printing parameters are 180 degrees Celsius and 120 seconds. The machine is our mate's heat press. Before printing, put a piece of protective paper on the heat press. Then put the masks on the press with the images facing up. And press them and wait for only 2 minutes. Now they are done. The printout image qualities are so nice. Our face masks are reusable and washable. You can even wash them with your washing machine. The printout images will still be the same.